Hey guys, Cannon132 here. Today I'm back with the Return to Freddy's 2, night number 4. Let's see how this will turn out. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. The phone better work this time. Let's see.
Hello. Hey there, Night 4. I told you would get the hang of it. Okay, just to update you, the CEO has found out the glitch can cause. It's very deadly. The animatronics start to think during the night that any adult in the building is an empty endoskeleton without its costume on.
Oh.
Apparently that's against the rules here, so they tried to stuff the person in a suit. But the downside about that is that the suits are filled with wires and animatronic devices.
Yeah, I know.
Also, I forgot to mention a dog animatronic we have here.
A dog?
The children called him Doug. So I guess that's his name. I guess that's the name we're giving him. He falls with noise, so just make sure to make some noise when you see him in your camera view or in the far end of the hall. Also, someone wants to buy us out and rename our business, but the CEO refused to do that. Anyways, hang tight, it'll all pass. Good night.
So, I have to make noises? What noises? Okay, those are the noises? What noise is he talking about? Definitely not those noises. This noises? No, that's Foxy! Come on, go away. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, get wrecked. Oh, hello! That's rare. I never seen you there, bro. I never see you there. I'm not here. Who just won an event? I think I'm dead. I don't know. Am I dead? Oh. Oh, you were in the vent, huh? So they're back on stage. So... Who moved? Who moved? Alright, nobody did. Huh. Chica. Oh, Foxy's right over there. Foxy's right in the left side over there. Right over there. Where my thing is. Right there. Foxy's... Yeah, you're getting closer to me, aren't you? I heard running. I'm hearing running. You gone? All right. Where did Foxy go? Should I be worried about that? Jesus, Freddy. I'm hearing a lot of running. Hello. What do I do? What do I do then? Huh? Chica's there. Okay. You're supposed to be gone now. Yep. Stop copying Final Freddy's 2 1. Where did Foxy go? Yay! Okay. Now you are acting like. Who are you? Who are you? Go away. You're acting like the puppet from Final Freddy's 2. Can you go away? Go away. I'm sorry. You should be. Alright, so the phone actually worked this time. Okay, ring, ring, ring. What do you have to say? Can I help the nose? I can't. Come on. Alright, let's see what you're about to say.
Hello? Hey, good job, Night 5. Keep a close eye on things tonight, okay?
Uh-oh.
A child just went missing today. The CEO literally had to shout out at the top of his lungs and explain to the press that it wasn't our doing. Now, we're all over the news. This is really sad news, really. So we may have to sell off the business to the guy that came over yesterday. The puppet was also really acting really aggressive during the day shift. So, just keep the music box wound up at all times, okay? And be sure the power doesn't go out either. Just get through 2 more nights, hang in there, and good night.
2 more nights? I don't want to be here at all. Since if a child went missing or something like that, since we're all over the news, why? Why keep doing this job? The animatronics are mean. They literally want to eat me. Hello. Ooh, this fan feels so nice. Ah. Huh. Excuse me? Ah! What's that noise? What is that noise? Ah! What is that noise? Ah! What is that noise? Whatever it does not sound lovely. Ah! What the? Where'd you come from? I guess I'm gonna have to stop it there. So, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Turn on all post notifications, and I'll still talk to y'all later.